Assalamualaikum. My name is Sadi Education Wali. I'm student of Teacher Training Camp 1 at Rehan College, Karangi campus. I am going to present a summary of the inspiring talk, How Great Leader Inspire Action by Simon Sinek. Simon Sinek is a reno- reno- renowned author, motivational speaker, and leadership expert. He is best known for his concept of the Golden Circle. They explain how great leaders and organizations inspire people through his books and talks. Simon Sinek helps individual and organization understand the importance of purpose, trust, and leadership. Summary of the talk in his famous TED Talk. Simon Sinek explained the great leader inspire people by focusing on why they do what they do rather than simply explaining what they do or how they do it. He introduced the concept of the golden triangle, which consists of three parts. Number one, why the first and the most important is why. This represented a person, purpose, belief, permission, and its answer the education. Why do you do what you do? And two, how the second part is how the refer to the methods, values, or processes used to achieve goals. What the third part is the what. This refers to product, service, and of action the people or organization provide. Simon explained that most organizations communicate from the outside in the start with what they do and they explain how they do it. However, truly inspired leaders communicate from the inside out. They began. They begin with why. He uses example of successful leader and organization that inspire loyalty and trust because they clearly communicate their purpose. People are more likely to support a leader or organization when they believe in its mission and values. According to Simon Sinek, people do not simply buy what you do, they buy who you do it. This in principle applies not only to business but also to education, leadership, and personal development. Another important point is the talk is that leadership is not about authority or position. Leadership is about inspiring others to believe in a shared. Simon also explained that emotion play a major role in discussion making. People often make decisions based on feeling and beliefs and then justify them with logic. Therefore, leaders who connect with people's values and emotion can inspire stronger communicate and action. What I learned from the talk this taught me that importance of having a clear purpose in leaders inspire others by communicating their belief and values from discussion results of achievement as a student of teacher as a student of as a student I realized the future teacher also starts with why. When students understand the purpose behind the learning they become more motivated. And Simon Sinek's message is that great leader inspiring action by starting with why. People are inspired by purpose, vision, and belief rather than instructions alone. By understanding and communicating our purpose, we can become leaders, education, and long life learners. Thank you for listening.